Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to discuss the way to creating a string in Python. There are two ways to create a string. One is we are able to create a string using the constructor of a str class. Str stands for string class. For example, here s1 equal to str. This is a constructor. Str open and close parenthesis is a constructor of the str class. So we can able to create an empty string because I didn't give anything inside the constructor str. Second one, s2 is a string variable which is equal to str of I am giving hello. So it will create a hello object. It create a string object for the given value hello. The alternate method is by assigning a string value to a variable. We can directly assign a value to a variable like other variable like float or integer. We can directly assign a value. Here the s1 equal to quotation. So within the quotation I didn't give any value. It will create an empty string. The next one is the variable s2 equal to within the double quotation I am giving hello. So this will assign a string value hello to the variable s2. We are able to use single, double and the triple quotation. Now we will see a demo. First I am going to use a constructor. The variable s1 equal to str. str is the constructor of the str class. So within this I am passing a value hello. Now the hello object is created. Is it assigned to s1? So this is a one way. If I give s1, the value hello will get printed. The second way, I directly assign the value. In the double quotation, I am giving welcome. So I'm giving s2 in the interactive mode. It displays the welcome. So these are the two methods to create a string. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the further updates. Press the bell button, share and comment. Thank you.